Sony FX30. I've been wanting this one for a while. Ooh, all right. The Sony FX30. So this, I'm excited. I'm excited for this. I have been in need of a new camera, a second camera, for a little while now. Right now, I'm using the Sony A7 III as my B cam. I only use it as a B cam when I can borrow it. It's not actually mine, so I don't always have it. The more corporate interview style videos that I do, the more shoots that need multiple cameras or a second shooter, the more weddings that I do outside of the wedding company that I work for and start doing solo, the more I need, ooh, this feels nice. The more I need a second camera. I know the Sony A7 III, at least at the time of this recording, is on sale, and it would actually cost a little bit less than this guy. You know, I'll have a link down there if you want to click it and check it out, see what it is. This one is $1,500, and this one is on sale for $1,600. So very close. I was back and forth on which one I wanted to go with. At the end of the day, I chose obviously the FX30, knowing that it has the ability to do 4K 60, knowing that it has a fan so it won't overheat, the new Sony menu system so it's super easy to use. Totally fine with it being a crop sensor camera because then I can still use my full frame lenses, and as a B cam, it's just gonna give me more reach anyway. And lastly, I feel like this also just helps push me a little bit more forward. I love saying, you know, invest in yourself, invest in your company. I feel like this camera is gonna help push me a little bit more forward just to, I don't want to say take this more seriously because I definitely am, but grow as a videographer, grow as a filmmaker, grow into the next level. When I upgraded from my M50 to the A7 IV, that I feel like really was one of the tipping points to push me to the next level to keep going. And this isn't to replace the A7 IV, this is just an additional camera, but I feel like it's going to do the same thing and just help push me to get to the next level. We'll see. I'm excited to get out there and actually start shooting with this thing, so stay tuned. You'll see some videos, some comparisons maybe. Let me know what you want to see with it.